What it do? Welcome back to the channel. Ed Pierce here, and welcome back to my show. I'm about to put y'all up on some crazy game. You feel me? And by the title of this video, you already know what I'm talking about. But over at Amazon, you feel me? The big baller, they done made an even big baller choice. You feel me? And they done went and bought something big, and I'm about to bring it to you in this brand new video. So if you're interested in this information, keep watching. Oh my God. Yeah, so we back, you feel me? Thank you for subscribing, thank you for hitting that like button, all that good stuff. Any thoughts that you have on this video, put it in the comment section below. So we're gonna hop right in. So the other day I was researching on the internet trying to get my Shopify site up and running. You feel me? What I found out is Amazon, they done went and bought Whole Foods. Yes, you heard me correct. They went and bought Whole Foods. You feel me? Them buying Whole Foods, this is a game changer. You feel me? Game changer. So, like, what's gonna happen to grocery stores? You know what I'm saying? Like, they cutting prices 50%. They are innovating grocery stores. A lot of people didn't think that people would want to order their food offline, but it's happening and it's here right now. So if you guys want to jump in, this is the time to jump in. They have currently started hiring thousands and thousands of workers to work in these stores at Whole Foods, and you are a Whole Foods shopper, and that's your job title, and your job description is packing groceries for the delivery drivers who come in to pick up the food and take it to their destination. Man, this is crazy. This is 2018 jobs. These are the new innovative jobs that people are saying don't exist. A lot of jobs are being lost, but a lot of jobs are being created. So if you need to go to the creation side and go get one of those jobs, if you're looking to work for Amazon and keep into the future of working jobs, I'm telling you, man, Amazon has brought a whole new platform of online shopping, e-commerce to a whole nother level, guys. So jump in right now. That's what I say. That's what I say. Jump in right now. They have positions at these places, and I mean, you're at the Whole Foods location, or you'll be working from home. So it's so perfect, man. It's so perfect, and they're starting at great wages for this part-time work. You can be full-time or part-time. Wages are like 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 for these entry-level positions. So they're paying decently, and it's easy to get the job. So man, I say put your application in, man, and I guarantee you'll probably get that job. Amazon is doing new things, innovative things, and if you guys want to keep up with the future and Amazon and make some money online from home, stay in tune with Amazon. And like I said, right now I'm working on the Shopify store. So once I get that up and running, I may let you guys know a little bit more about that information. But you know, my channel is around fashion, food, and fun and gaming. So this is an informative video to help you all get to the next level of your online venture. So Amazon, Whole Foods are now one. If you want to work for them, you can be a Whole Foods shopper. You can work for the management team. Just go over to the Amazon website and you can find all of those jobs on there, and thumbs up to Amazon. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, man. The Ed Pierce Show always keep fashion, food, fun, and gaming. You know what I mean? So we're gonna bring all that to you. Make sure you subscribe, and somewhere I'm gonna put a playlist on here, so y'all make sure y'all hit that playlist. See what games I'm playing right now. Check out them real versus fake, and I'm gonna come back with this video like hey, ooh.